Today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I have it here. Now, it is one of Samsung's flagship mobile phones, so I'm expecting a lot. It is 5G enabled. I don't know why they're saying it's 5G enabled when the S20 was 5G enabled, so I automatically assume the next model is going to be 5G enabled. But anyway, it's got a 6.81 inch screen. It's got a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it comes in at 2290. It does weigh more than the S21. It is quite big. It has got the fastest chip in the Galaxy range, the Ultra being the more premium handset. Specs are quite good. First of all, camera. It's got 4 cameras. The main camera at the back is 108 megapixels. That is quite a lot. If you look at it, the back has 4 cameras. First one is 108 megapixels. Second one is 12 megapixels, ultra wide lens. And the third and fourth one are the telephoto lens, which are 10 megapixels each. So it is quite jam-packed in the camera side. Now you look on the video side, you can record in 8K, which is the highest resolution on a camera, and you can record 4K at 60 frames per second. It also has a selfie camera, obviously most phones do in this day and age, and that is a 40 megapixel. That is a very high standard of resolution and megapixels on a front-facing camera. It is S Pen compatible as well, so you could buy the S Pen as well. It does support fast charging. They say that within 30 minutes you can get up to 50% battery life, and it also supports fast wireless charging as well. We will test that out on a later date. It also has reverse charging, so if you've got someone else in your vicinity who has low battery, you can use your phone's battery to charge their phone just by placing their phone on the back of your phone. It also has dual SIM compatibility, so you can use 2 SIMs, one a nano SIM and the other one being an eSIM. When it says dual SIM, it doesn't mean you can actually insert 2 SIMs in there. Well, not yet anyway, unless they've launched some different handsets around the world. Also, the good thing about this is it has 120 Hz refresh rate, which basically is how many times the screen refreshes in a second. This one is 120 Hz. It does have it in sort of, you could say, artificial intelligence AI built into it, where it would adjust the refresh rate according to what you're watching, hence enhancing battery life. It has a 5000 milliamp battery. Now, yeah, it has a 5000. It sounds good saying 5000, but it's a bigger phone, it's got more processing, it's got better cameras. Is that just going to eat up into the battery and it wouldn't make a difference? Well, we'll wait and see. Now, just going to move on straight on to the unboxing now, and let's see what's in the box. Boom! Today we will be unboxing the S21 Ultra. It's a whole different nice fashion, made in Vietnam on the box. It's got the IMEI eyes on this side, just a Samsung S21 Ultra 5G on the box. Is a slimmer box than usual. Let's get this open. Okay, that's not going as planned. There, we're done. We're finally done. I don't have my normal box cutter at the moment. Just opening that. This is the black, Phantom Black S21 Ultra, and it's a 12 GB RAM. Oh, I hope it is to pick it. Let's see what the contents of the box is first. The phone. That's the box. That's what's come in the box, and this is it. There's nothing else in the box. Just checking that note. Let's dive in to the contents now. So we'll first look into this, what's in here, and then move on to the S21 Ultra. Got a warranty card, everything in there. It's got the SIM pin, and the cable. So looking at the cable, it is a USB-C to USB-C cable that they have provided. Moving on to the S21 Ultra, just looking at it, it is a beautiful black. I do like this black, I am not gonna lie. Now looking at this, they have made taking this off a slightly bit easier. If you look closely at the bottom, there's a SIM pin. So you know where the SIM's going in, and it's saying no SIM pin there. If you look at it closely, very closely, now that one has a SIM pin. So they must have realized that there's very good customer attention and feedback they must have got, and they've acted upon it. What a small change, but it would help millions, not damaging their phone. So that's the S21 Ultra. They've got a very good zoom on this, so hence why everything. Let's start unwrapping it. It is like, I have been using the S21 currently, and it is a nice handset. This has more weight to it than the S21. Obviously it is bigger and it is the Ultra, so it has been noted. Let's start taking this off. I want to take the cam one off. That Phantom Black is a beauty, I have to say. I'm not going to put the handset yet. There is a screen protector here, and I am going to take that off now. Oh, this matte black is a very nice matte black. It is a very nice. Let me just take this little sticker off as well. It is beautiful. That is nice. It is a nice handset. The buttons, the volume buttons. They've got two little slots here. I'm going to search that. This is unboxing. It's the first time actually seeing this. I feel like that is the best way to go about it. Let's just do a recap of what's in the box. You get the little Samsung. This contains the cable. It also has a warranty card in as well. The cable that comes with the phone is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Please note they don't include the plugs no more, and the base of the plugs any longer. And finally, they also have the phone. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you had a great time. Hopefully catch you in the next video.